Hello everyone, Jamie here. So in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your Amazfit BIP battery drain issue if you are indeed having that. My watch has been absolutely perfect. It has a battery life of 45 days, but recently it's been draining quite a lot and I've just about figured out what's going on with it. So like yesterday at night I went to bed on 100% and then the next morning it was down to 35%. So I thought something was going on at that point. What I found, we need to disconnect it from Bluetooth, and that might seem like a bad idea because you need Bluetooth for it to receive notifications, but I will show you it works mostly through the Amazfit app, but I'll show you what I mean. So we're going to go into Bluetooth, and as you can see up there we've got the Amazfit BIP, and what I'm going to do is unpair it. There we go. And next we're going to go into the Amazfit app and make sure it's connected on there. Perfect. And I'm just going to send myself a WhatsApp message to my phone just to show you that it will still receive notifications even though we've just taken off the Bluetooth. There we go, so it still works. How cool is that? And if you're having some other battery issues as well, you can turn off discoverable, and you can also turn off the heart rate monitor. They're kind of cool features, but if you want your battery to last a little bit longer, you can turn them off, but the main thing is to make sure that it's not in your Bluetooth devices, you know, in your list. You just got to make sure that it's not on there, and as I've proved, you can still receive notifications when it has been unpaired. Okay, well thank you very much for stopping by. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you hated this video, subscribe. Okay, thanks very much, bye.